Welcome to Shenzhen Future Parts Technology Company Limited. Established in 2008, we are a leading rapid prototyping manufacturer with a combination of R&D, design, production, and sales. Our services including CNC machining, 3D printing, sheet metal, vacuum casting, and injection molding, etc. Our prototype parts are applied for a lot of industries, such as aerospace, automotive, medical devices, electronics, robotics, etc. Now, let me guide you have a look at how we turn your product design to viable parts with high efficiency. Let's go! Here you can see our programming center. After the order confirmation, we will have a kickoff meeting and choose the right process based on your structure and surface treatment requirements, and then start programming. When we finish the programming, we will start CNC machining procedure, equipped with numbers of 3, 4, 5-axis CNC machines. We can process both simple and complex structure parts and meet the different needs of product processing. After we finish the processing of the parts, we will need to do some surface treatment to obtain a beautiful looking parts. At Future Parts, we offer one-stop service from product processing to surface treatment. As one of our advantage service of rapid prototyping, 3D printing technology can not only meet your demands of cost saving and improve product efficiency, but also can print the exact shape of parts and shorten the lead time. In order to make sure finished product quality, we have strict incoming material verification and outgoing product inspection, equipped with several sets of 2D measuring projector and CMM testing devices. You can get accurate measurements for dimension requirements from customers. Before we send the goods to the customers, we have full range of packaging protection to avoid damage on the way of shipment and provide you a pleasant experience for our cooperation. Please feel free to contact us if you have any requirements for prototype parts. We are hoping to hear from you and enjoy our excellent service at Future Parts.